Yeah, my night routine. Brush my teeth. Yeah, use the bathroom. Pee sound effect. Oh my god, stop using butter guts. Yeah, now get ready for bed. Now go get ready for bed. Yeah. Now go get ready for bed. Let's go get ready for bed. Junior, what are you doing in my bed? Get out of here. Then you go to sleep. Make sure you get it covered so Cartoon Cat don't show up. It's so ugly. Well, he is kind of cute. I want to kiss him. Stay away from Cartoon Cat. He's still ugly. Ew. Well, first off, I watch a couple videos before I go to sleep. Yeah, let's watch videos.
I heard Grandma uploaded some new pictures to her Facebook. Let's check them.
No! Shark Puppet on YouTube. Yeah. Shark Puppet on YouTube. Show on YouTube. Shark Puppet on YouTube. Shark Puppet on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah.
Who's at my door?
Yeah.
Who's at my door? Who's at my door? My car key.
It's so ugly. Stupid kids.
I got the choo-choo poo-poo back.
6 feet back, 6 feet, 6 feet, get back. Okay, what do you want? What do you want from me? Why are you here?
Alright, well, since I got the choo-choo poo-poo, I can't take care of these kids. They need to be home.
I don't care.
No,
What?
I need you to go home.
I'm not homeschooling the kids. No. Alright, since you dirty little rat vermins want to come to my house and say I'm the homeschooler, I'm gonna have to disinfect you first, so. Alright, kids, you excited for.
You know what? I'm just gonna. You know what I give up? Where's the knife? Butter knife, because I need a butter knife. Butter knife. Use it. Use this to unlock doors. Or lock doors, like lock people in. I hear something. Make sure the door's unlocked. I'm gonna have to lock you in. Yeah. Well, since you don't lock the doors, make sure all of your doors are locked. Make sure no creepypasta comes after you. It's so ugly. Make sure you don't hear that. Next, get away from your dog. Put it in the bathroom. Next, put your dog in the bathroom. Well, that didn't work. Shoot some moots. Now what? Oh, I know. Oh. Yeah, and then, keep the lights on so no creepypasta comes after you. Yeah. And then now, go to sleep. That's all you need to know That's all you need to know. We go to sleep. Lock all doors. Keep all lights on. Make sure no cartoon cat comes. And yeah, go to sleep. Bye.